Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to write a program that will ask the user to give kilogram value, and then our program will simply convert the given kilogram value into pounds equivalent using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, sharing, and most importantly, if you are new, by subscribing. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. If you are just new in my channel, kindly click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. So let's begin. So we have here two library file in C++. Sharp include IOStream for input output. In C++, IOManip for decimal places. Later on, the use of set precision function using namespace int main. It is the starting point and ending point of every C++ program. We have begin, and then I have declared two variables, kilogram in pound, which has a data type of float. New line here, the title kilograms to pounds in C++, give kilogram value. It will be stored in our kilogram. The cin command is a command for input. Cout will be displayed. So pound equals kilogram multiplied by 2.2046262. So 1 kilogram is equivalent with this value. New line here, set precision to have two decimal places. This command can be used only if we have this IOManip, no? So kilogram equals pounds. New line here, and a program which returns to the operating system. In this case, we are using Windows 10, no? And then right curly bracket to close the main body of our function main. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free. I repeat, for free in my two websites. Okay, let us go with our online GDB, no? So online GDB is the compiler that I'm using, no, in writing this program. Okay, let us click the run button to execute the program. Kilograms to pounds in C++, give kilogram, let's say 5.3. So 5.3 kilograms is equals to 12 pounds. Okay, another example. Let's say 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2 pounds. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on kilogram to pounds in C++ programming language. I hope and pray that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.